In this video, I'm showing you how you build relationships by texting and following manufacturers and sellers on Alibaba. So if you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Good. So now we hop on the product page. So we want to send the seller a message. And if you build a relationship with them, you get that. So now when you hop on the product like this, just scroll to the bottom. If you're on a PC, it's going to be more easier. Just scroll to the bottom. Scroll. After the reviews, definitely you're going to see the seller. You see, this is it. There's the seller and there's the company's profile. So you just hop on the company's profile. So there's the company's profile on Alibaba. There's their location, there's their rating, the number of years they've been selling on here, response rate and the rest. You can follow them, just favorite that. There you see you follow them and then you can chat to them by sending them a message and make some sort of inquiry, and you can even call. You saw the call there. Yeah. So you just start with a message. Hi, I don't want to send them a message. Definitely they're going to reply me and it's like I'm playing with them. I don't want to do that. So you can just send a message. Hi, I want blah, 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 blah. They'll reply you definitely. So there's their profile. They are saying they reply in less than an hour. Yeah. Response rate is 99.58%. So yeah, that's it. So that's it on how you build relationships on Alibaba. If you are new here, just give me a like. Subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.